Last meeting, I discussed about rational functions, its definition, and how to identify if the given function is irrational or not. This time, I'm going to discuss how to solve rational equations. If we say rational equation, it is an equation with at least a fraction on one side whose numerator and denominator are polynomials. So, written on the whiteboard is an example of rational equation. X plus 5 all over 2x is equal to 3/4. So, alam nyo naman kung paano ma-identify yung rational equation. And solving rational equations, it means the given are rational functions. So, example number 1, ayan na rin ang gagamitin kong example. There are many methods para ma-solve ang rational equations, pero ang ituturo ko is yung pinaka-simple or yung pinaka-madaling paraan na alam ko para mas madalian ang students. So, nung elementary, kung natatandaan nyo, sa fraction, para malaman if the given fractions are equal or not, ang ginagamit natin ay butterfly method. So, ganyan yung itsura niya. So, butterfly method nga ba yan? Kasi mukha siyang butterfly. So, minumultiply lang natin yung magkaibang sides o yung opposite sides. So, 2 multiplied by 6 is 12 and then 3 multiplied by 4 is 12. So, nalalaman natin if the given fractions are equal or not. So, ganyan din yung gagamitin nating technique para ma-solve ang rational equations. So, dito, buong expression sa left-hand side, numerator, ang imumultiply natin by 4. And then dito, since pares lang naman silang one term, so madali lang siya. So yan, drawing lang kayo na ganyan. And then, write the expression. So, yung 4, imumultiply natin kay x plus 5. And then equal sign, yung kabila naman, 3 multiplied by 2x. So, ayan, naisulat na natin siya. Now, we will use distribution method. Kasi dito sa left-hand side, meron tayong 2 terms na nasa loob ng parenthesis. So, i-distribute natin yung nasa labas, which is 4. So, 4 multiplied by x is 4x. And then 4 multiplied by 5 is positive 20. And then sa kabilang side, sa right hand side, we will just multiply 3 by 2x and that is 6x. Next, using APE or addition property of equality, pagsasamahin natin yung may variables. Pero para mas madalian kayo, gagamitin natin yung common method. Informal method siya pero ayun ang mas ginagamit kasi ayun yung mas naiintindihan ng bata, yung transposition method. So ang gagawin natin, pag naglipat tayo ng kabilang side ng equal sign ay nagbabago ang sign. And then dito sa akin okay lang kahit nasaan ang variable. Kahit nasa right hand side siya or nasa left hand side. So same lang rin naman yun, equal lang rin naman sila. Kaya okay lang sa akin kahit nasa left or right siya. So ang gagawin ko, kung sino yung may mas mataas na coefficient of a variable, siya yung mag-i-stay. Yung mas maliit, siya yung lilipat. So dito, mas malaki si 6x kumpara kay 4x. Kaya ang mangyayari, si 6x ay mariretain dito, si 4x ang ililipat natin. So, pag nilipat natin si 4x, matitira na lang si 20. And then 6x, nandyan siya, si positive 4x magiging negative 4x na. So, dito, sign ang positive, pero dito naging operation ang subtraction. Meron talagang confusion between operation and sign. So, nagkakaroon siya ng pagbabago. So, sign lang siya dito, bakit naging operation? So, isa yun sa mga controversial issue sa math. Pero kung familiar naman kayo sa pagbabago from symbol to operation, mas okay. Next, So 20 equals, so we just combine like terms. 6x minus 4x is 2x. And then using MPE or multiplication property of equality, kukunin natin ngayon yung value ng x. Pero instead of MPE, ang pangmasang method ay divide both sides by the coefficient of the variable. Dito, ang coefficient ng variable x ay 2. So kung ano lagi yung katabi ng letter. So divide natin both sides by 2. So makakancel ngayon si 2. 20 over 2 is 10. And that is equal to x na lang. So ang value ng x natin ay 10. So that is the first example under solving rational equation. Next example. The given equation is x plus 2 all over x plus 4 equals x minus 2 all over x plus 2. So that is our given rational equation. So again, we will just use butterfly method. So if we write that, so wag muna nating i-perform kasi mahirapan tayo if we solve that mentally. Pero kung kaya siyang ma-solve mentally, mas okay. At least advance kayo. So x plus 2 multiply by x plus 2. Then equal sign, yung kabila naman. X minus 2 multiply by x plus 4. So ayan. Next, kung mapapansin nyo, or if you already have an idea what method are we going to use, mas okay. Pero kung wala pa, ang gagamitin natin ay FOIL method or distribution method. So, first term, second term, first term, second term. Distribute muna natin si x dito sa dalawang terms. Una, x multiply by x, x square. Then, x multiply by 2 is positive 2x. So, okay na tayo kay x, kay 2 naman. 2 multiply by x, so that is 2x. 2 multiply by positive 2 is positive 4. So, ito ngayon yung product of binomials. So, mamaya na natin i-simplify. Next, dito tayo, ganun din. FOIL method or distribution method. Anyway, the difference between FOIL method and the distribution method, pag FOIL method, that is only applicable for product of binomials. Pero kung gumamit ka ng trinomials, hindi mo magagamit ang FOIL. So, distribution method ang gagawin mo. Kaya mas okay kung distribution ang makasanayan. So, x, i-distribute natin sa two terms, x and 4. X multiplied by x is x square. And then x multiplied by positive 4 is positive 4x. And then negative 2 multiplied by x is negative 2x. Negative 2 multiplied by positive 4 is negative 8. So, yan na ngayon yung expression or equations. Two expressions sa magkabilang sides. Then, simplify, combine like terms. So, x square, 2x plus 2x is 4x. Kung medyo nalilito kayo sa combining like terms, sa distribution method, or operation of integers, so I think kailangan nyo manood ng other video sa ibang source para ma-refresh kayo kung paano ginagawa yung mga yun. So, x square plus 4x plus 4. Sa kabila naman, x square, 4x minus 2x is positive 2x minus 8. Next, so ang gagawin naman natin ngayon, lahat ng may variables, ililipat natin sa right hand side. Left hand side. Lahat naman ng constant term, ililipat natin sa right hand side. So dito, si x squared sa si 4x, nandito na sila sa left hand side. Kaya mag-i-stay na siya dyan. X squared plus 4x. Si x squared, ililipat natin sa kabila dahil variable siya. So from positive, since lumipat siya ng kabilang side ng equal sign, from positive magiging negative x squared. Then si positive 2x, lilipat ng kabilang side ng equal sign, magiging negative 2x. Si positive 4, mamaya na yan. So si negative 8, stay siya dito sa right hand side. So si positive 4, lilipat ng kabilang side ng equal sign, magiging negative 4. So ayan. So again, isi-simplify lang natin to. Positive x squared minus x squared, para lang siyang positive 1 minus 1, or 2 minus 2, 3 minus 3, so 0. Or ika-cancel mo lang sila. So we just cancel this. So mawawala na yung may exponent na 2. So matitira na lang ay si 4x at si negative 2x. Kapag pinerform natin yan, 4x minus 2x, ang matitira na lang ay 2x. That is equal to negative 8 minus 4. So that's negative 12. And then dividing both sides, or MPE, divide both sides by 2. So makukuha natin yung value na x is equal to negative 12 divided by 2 is negative 6. So the value of x is negative 6. In solving rational equations, that is the same with finding the value of x. So rational equations siya, solving rational equations, pero we are just looking for the value of x. Next.
Ring, ring, ring.
So the given equation is x minus 4 all over negative 2 minus 4x plus 5 all over 2x plus 3 equals 0. Sa mga naunang examples, parehas sila na may rational expression sa magkabilang sides. So dito, yung isang side or the right hand side is 0. So inequate natin siya sa 0. So ang gagawin natin dyan, ilipat lang natin si buong expression na to sa kabilang side. So since minus siya, so ito kopihin lang natin over negative 2. So since buong expression na to is negative, so magiging positive siya. 4x plus 5 all over 2x plus 3. So ito, from negative na naging positive. And then, ayun na, perform lang natin yung butterfly. So we just copy x minus 4 multiply by 2x plus 3 equals negative 2 multiply by 4x plus 5. Perform the operation. So dito product of two binomial ang hinahanap. So i-distribute natin siya or FOIL method. X multiply by 2x square. X multiply by positive 3 3x. Negative 4 multiply by 2x, negative 8x. Negative 4 multiply by 3, negative 12 equals negative 2 multiply by 4x, negative 8x. Negative 2 multiply by 5, negative 10. So ayan na ngayon yung equation natin. Next, dali natin lahat sa kabilang side or sa left hand side. So 2x square, wala naman siyang similar term, plus 3x minus 8x. So negative 8x, ililipat natin ang kabilang side, magiging plus 8x na siya. And then si negative 10, lilipat na kabilang side ng equal sign, magiging plus 10. And then si negative 12, retain pa din. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So lahat ng terms na nandito na sa left hand side. So wala nang natira kay right hand side. So that is equal to 0. So dito ipe-perform natin yung combining similar terms or combining like terms. 2x square, wala naman siyang kaparehas. 3x minus 8x plus 8x. So dito pa lang, negative 8x, positive 8x, pwede natin siyang i-cancel. Kasi same coefficient and then magkaiba ng sign. So 2x square, ang natira na lang na may variable ay si plus 3x. Plus 3x. And then if we perform 10 minus 12, that is negative 2. Then equals 0. So ito na ngayon yung equation natin. So that is now a quadratic expression. So hahanapin natin ngayon, kapag inilipat kasi natin si negative 2 sa kabilang side, hindi pa rin natin mahahanap yung value kasi meron tayo ditong second degree term. So ang gagawin natin, by factoring. So hanapin natin yung value ni x by factoring. So ang factoring ay nasa grade 9. So magtanong kayo sa grade 9 para malaman nyo kung paano ang process ng factoring. So 2x, ang factors lang naman ng 2x square ay 2x multiply by x. Ang factors ng negative 2 ay either negative 2 multiply by 1 or 2 multiply by negative 1. So check muna natin si negative 2 and positive 1. So ito ay negative 2x, itong nasa outer ay positive 2x, so 0. So mali yan. So sa factoring talagang trial and error siya. So gamitin natin itong pangalawa. So positive 2 siya and negative 1. So 2x, negative 2x. Hindi rin pwede. Kasi 0 pa rin ang kakalabasan kapag inad natin yan. Next. Dito naman natin ilagay si 1. So aside from this, pwede rin natin silang pagpalitin. Pwede rin 1 multiply by negative 2 or negative 1 multiply by positive 2. So apply natin si 1 and negative 2 plus 1 minus 2. So dito x and then dito negative 4x. So ang kakalabasan pag inad natin yung dalawa, negative 3x. Ang target natin is positive 3x and negative 3x to. So mali pa rin. Next. So gamitin natin ito last na to. So dapat ito ay tumama na. So negative 1, 2x minus 1, and x plus 2. So ito ay negative x. 1 multiplied by x is negative x. 2x multiplied by 2 is positive 4x. So if we add this, the answer is positive 3x. So ito ngayon yung tamang sagot. So ito yung gagamitin nating factors. Next, so kung ito ang factors ng 2x squared plus 3x minus 2 using factoring method, kung ayaw nyo gumamit ng factoring dahil trial error, pwede kayong gumamit ng quadratic formula. So I just identify A, B, and C and then substitute to quadratic formula. Yun nga lang, medyo mas mahaba siya. Pero at least hindi siya trial and error. So we have now two expressions, 2x minus 1 and x plus 2. Ang gagawin lang natin dyan, i-equate natin sa 0 yung two expressions. And then solve for the value of x. So magiging 2x, lipat natin si negative 1 sa kabila, magiging positive 1. And then divide both by 2. So x is equal to 1 half. So ito yung value ng isang x. Dito naman, x, positive 2, ilipat natin sa kabila, magiging negative 2. So solo na ni x to, na-isolate na siya. So ito na yung isang value ng x. So therefore, the value of x in the given equation are 2. And that is negative 2 and 1 half. So the final answer is negative 2 and 1 half. So that is solving rational equations. Medyo matrabaho, pero kung alam niyo yung mga prerequisite topics like combining like terms, FOIL method or distribution method, factoring, so ayun yung mga kailangang i-apply para mas maintindihan yung rational equations. Next topic ay rational inequalities. So that is just the same with equation, yun nga lang hindi sila equal. So kaya siya tinawag na inequality. Okay? All right.